How to make original audio on Instagram. This process is simple and can be done in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app and start creating a new post. Select the video you want to use or tap the camera icon to capture a new video. Once you finish recording the video, tap on the music icon to add a song of your choice. Once you have selected and added your song, tap on the Edit Video option. Now, it is important to deselect the song layer. This step ensures that you can adjust the original audio properly. After that, swipe through the layers until you see the volume button. Here, you will find options to adjust the volume for different audio sources. Set the original audio by adjusting the camera audio, music volume, and background audio. You can balance these levels to ensure that the original audio and the added music are heard properly in the video. Once you have adjusted the audio settings to your preference, your video is ready to be posted with both the original audio and background music. That is all you need to know about making original audio with music on Instagram.